Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. This video will show you a dangerous coach driver who believes he is a racing driver. I am in the outside lane going just above the speed limit, which is reasonable to overtake traffic in the inside lane. My speed is enough to overtake the coach, which is initially moving below 80 km per hour. However, as I begin to overtake, the coach driver suddenly speeds up to about 88 km per hour and prevents me from overtaking him. This is crazy, and I don't understand why the coach driver is playing with me. I have two choices: I can slow down or I can speed up. There is a taxi following me, so I don't want to slow down. I choose a quick burst of acceleration to allow me to overtake the coach, and I deliberately slow down to a safer speed as I keep an eye on the coach. Just watch the coach driver. Just watch the coach driver who is now behind me. He cuts the lanes twice and believes he is a racing driver. This type of crazy coach driver will no doubt cause accidents on the roads. Please be careful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, where I will post more videos about bad drivers and how we can stay safe on the roads.